Part 2 of parts of the body in Bisaya. Liog is neck. Liog. Liog means neck. Liog. What is a Bisaya word for neck? Unsa sa Bisaya ang neck? Hit the pause button. The answer is liog. Liog. Abaga. Abaga is shoulder. Abaga. Abaga, shoulder. Unsa sa Bisaya ang shoulder? What is a Bisaya word for shoulder? The answer is abaga. Abaga. Bukton or braso means upper arm. Bukton or braso is upper arm. What is a Bisaya word for upper arm? Unsa sa Bisaya ang upper arm? The answer is bukton or braso. Siko. Siko is elbow. Siko means elbow. Unsa sa Bisaya ang elbow? What is a Bisaya word for elbow? The answer is siko. Siko. Kamot is hand. Kamot means hand. Kamot, hand. What is a Bisaya word for hand? Unsa sa Bisaya ang hand? The answer is kamot. Kamot. Tudlo means finger. Tudlo means finger. Tudlo. Unsa sa Bisaya ang finger? What is the Bisaya word for finger? The answer is tudlo. Tudlo. Kuko is fingernail. Kuko. Kuko is fingernail. Kuko. What is the Bisaya word for fingernail? Unsa sa Bisaya ang fingernail? The answer is kuko. Kuko. Hope you learned something new today. Watch out for part 3 of the series. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!